To other stories, the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission has arraigned the former governor of Kwara State, Abdulfatah Ahmed, at the Federal High Court in Ilorin over alleged misappropriation of 10 billion naira state fund. Mr. Ahmed, who served as governor of Kwara State between 2011 and 2019, has been in the custody of the EFCC since Monday until his arraignment today. He was first invited by the EFCC in 2021 before his latest invitation. Some members of the People's Democratic Party on Wednesday had protested his continued detention beyond 48 hours by the agency. Journalists were barred from entering the court premises by the police, claiming that they were acting on instructions. An official of the Federal High Court in Ilorin also confirmed this. After a back and forth, TVC cameraman and one other reporter were allowed in. Chief Press Secretary to the former governor, Wahab Oba, addressed journalists while arraignment continued at the courts.
To account for his stewardship as a governor of this country. But our concern is that the trial is transparent and open. Now, you cannot explain why the police and the court authority are denying, especially journalists, from covering the event. That has been our concern with all this one. Initially, it was held above the normal 48 hours as prescribed by the law. Up to now, nobody has explained to us without any court order for that. Now, he's been tried secretly. Nobody is there except his lawyer. So we don't know what will happen.
Kwara State correspondent Ibrahim Alege joins me now from the state capital, Ilorin. Ibrahim, we saw the controversy that trailed this particular detention of the former governor with a protest on Wednesday by PDP members. What more can you tell us today about the arraignment?
Bill to the former governor. Apart from that, is to produce 2 sureties with landed property in Ilorin, the Kwara State capital. About 8 conditions, and right now is still within the court premises. His lawyers are trying as much as possible to perfect the bail condition. But if he is unable to do this, he will still be taken back to the EFCC custody. But once he's able to do this, he will go back to his home, and from there he can come in, to the court. The court proceeding proper will now start on the 29th of April, and the court has given them 2 days, 29th and 30th of April, so that the proceedings can start in earnest. So the lawyers are trying to perfect the bail conditions. So after that, then the proper hearing will now start in April. Meanwhile, the party supporters are still within the premises. Some journalists have equally been allowed just within the premises, not inside the court. Only 1 journalist was allowed inside. The rest were outside. We've spoken with the 2 lawyers who came out, and the counsel to the former governor said they are trying as much as possible to perfect the bail condition, knowing fully that today is Friday, so that he'll be able to go home to reunite with his family. He's been in the EFCC custody since Monday, so they are hoping that they'll be able to meet the bail condition so that former governor can go home, and subsequently will be attending the court from his residence.
And Ibrahim, this has been on for a while, since 2021. For those who have lost touch with the allegations against the former governor, just bring us up to speed with those allegations and why he's been arraigned.
Yes, he's been arraigned on a 12-count charge. Unfortunately, majority of us, just only 1 journalist was allowed in, but this is just the information that has been able to gather. But it borders on state funds. It's about 10 billion naira. So the former governor is now here to claim his innocence. But we understand that he pleaded guilty, not guilty to all the offenses charged before him. 12-count charge, but he said he's not guilty of any of them. So it's a 10 billion naira is involved, and the former governor said he's not guilty of it. So we're expecting that as the days progress, on the 29th of April, so all these things will be laid before the court so that we'll be able to defend themselves, and also the public will know properly what's actually going on.
Thank you so much, Ibrahim, for that update. We hope to hear from you whether or not the former governor has been able to perfect his bail. My correspondent there live for us in Ilorin, the Kwara State capital, Ibrahim Alege.